Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Actresses who practice yoga during pregnancy. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Bebo has made everyone awestruck with her pregnancy looks and post-pregnancy weight loss. While revealing tips to stay fit during pregnancy, Kareena Kapoor revealed that every day for at least an hour, she practices yoga. Kareena has also revealed that she always prefers yoga to lose the excess weight post-pregnancy too. Anushka Sharma. This Bollywood actress has recently shocked and amazed and inspired everyone with her headstand yoga carrying her child in womb. The doctor has restrained her from doing heavy exercises but has asked her to do asanas that she was already doing. Amy Jackson. This actress is a fitness freak and she loves and depends very much on yoga very much to keep her mind and body active every day. Amy Jackson opted for yogas during her pregnancy with her first child. She practiced several asanas post-pregnancy too to shed the extra inch. Soha Ali Khan. When Soha was carrying Inaya in her womb, this actress chose several asanas to keep herself fit and healthy during pregnancy. Soha revealed that she stopped heavy exercises and chose yoga and posted her pictures performing asanas. Shilpa Shetty. This actress is very much popular for her fit and sculpted body that every woman desires, and she has gained it with the help of yoga. Even during her pregnancy, Shilpa Shetty continued her yoga and even posted videos of her doing multiple asanas. Lisa Hayden. Another fitness freak Bollywood actress Lisa Hayden prefers yoga and meditations more than hitting gym and doing heavy exercises. When asked, Lisa revealed that the secret to her toned and glowing skin during pregnancy was nothing but yoga. Samira Reddy. For a healthy mind and body during pregnancy, Samira Reddy chose to practice prenatal yoga and inspired several mothers. This actress even posted several pictures on the internet where she emphasized on the importance of yoga. Lara Dutta. When this actress was pregnant with her first child, Lara Dutta chose prenatal yoga and enjoyed inspiring other mums out there. Lara Dutta even recorded a DVD where she performed several asanas that are specially assigned to pregnant women. Soumya Tandon. Bhabhi Ji Ghar Par Hai actress Soumya Tandon too opted for asana and meditation during her pregnancy. She even chose yoga mostly to shed the extra weight post her pregnancy. Who inspired you the most among these actresses? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.